Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable virtualization in your BIOS on a Windows 10 PC. Maybe you're trying to run virtual machines or use Android emulators like BlueStacks, but they're running slow or won't start at all. That's usually because virtualization isn't turned on in your BIOS settings, and without it, your PC can't fully use the hardware features needed for these programs. Don't worry though, enabling virtualization is pretty straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step so you can get it done quickly and easily. Alright, first, you'll need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. To do this, as your computer boots up, keep pressing the BIOS key. This is usually F2, delete, or escape depending on your PC's manufacturer. If you're not sure, a quick Google search with your PC's model will tell you the right key. Once you're inside the BIOS menu, use your keyboard to navigate to the CPU or Advanced tab. The exact name can vary, but look for something like Processor, Advanced CPU Configuration, or System Configuration. Here, find the option called Intel Virtualization Technology VTX, or SVM mode, if you're on AMD. Make sure to enable this option. It might say disabled by default, so change it to enabled. After that, save your changes and exit the BIOS. Usually, pressing F10 will save and restart your PC. Once Windows boots back up, virtualization will be enabled, and you'll be able to run those virtual machines or emulators without issues. And that's it. Now you know how to enable virtualization in BIOS on Windows 10, giving your PC the power to run all those handy virtual apps smoothly. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.